Let me get the deli on the table too. Okay, the money must be coming. Okay.
Got deli on and crab boil with lobster tails and scallops.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
Could have got that place.
I think I'm gonna do a. Ooh, I feel like I need to do a food punch. I don't know. Something about it. I know. I already got something on my shirt. Ooh. Now.
Okay.
Okay.
Mukbang. Clickbait.
Nope. Yeah. Lift it up. Lift yours up too. All right. Give one more. All right. And then you can put them down right quick, and then just like put the drink over to the side a little bit, just so I can get a clip. No, the red drink.
Oh.
Sorry. Yeah. All right. Great. Stick is so short.
And it's dark skin.
Ready?
No.
Oh, fuck. Close. Do it again. And
A drink. Okay. Are we ready? Are we rolling?
yes.
So we're gonna start with the De Leon. Like 2 shots. We're gonna do a double. That might be a little more than double, but
Yes.
it's about the same amount.
Okay. Well, you can put a little bit. Just one more
I'll
shot.
say I have more ice though.
Right. Perfect. Okay.
Okay, boom. Got the De Leon. I'm doing lemonade in mine.
I'm going for punch.
Oh, I'm recording over here, but recording over here too.
Okay.
Here you go. Lemonade. So you're gonna put a good amount of lemonade. Ooh, yes, giving summer refreshing look like on a palm.
Ooh, let's see what color this get. Red. Shit.
Okay. And now
It
the
look
cocktail's
red.
not that exciting.
Oh,
Mix
no, I
it.
get some more.
And then we got this Ready with coconut milk. Now listen, it's not Cardi B whip shots.
Right. Cardi, send us some whip shots.
Send us a whip shots,
Please.
okay? But you know, it's a cool little vibe. Coconut milk is gonna give tropical, okay?
Okay.
Yes, cute.
Yeah, and it's gonna give like what it is, mahi mahi, like
Yes.
Ooh.
Okay, boom. And now we gotta make our cameraman's.
Yes. This is the seafood, you guys. Yes. So good.
You want lemonade or you want fruit punch or you want both?
Boat. Yeah, boat.
That's right. Ready?
Going up.
That's good. You want some more juice?
Yeah, some more De Leon.
Some more De Leon? Okay,
Gotta make it
Get
interesting.
lit. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
I know that's right. Shit.
Yeah.
Thank y'all. Thank God.
Okay. Always.
Thank God.
Always.
And thank you for the De Leon because it's your
Right?
turn.
It's really hitting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just like I like it.
Cheers.
Thank you.
I know you say you like whipped cream.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
There you go. All right,
Looking
y'all.
beautiful.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I want bread.
Okay.
Immediately, I need the bread. Okay. What do I want to start with? I'm gonna start with the crab legs.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm going to just start with some shrimp. What do we do in my things? We got to talk or we just got to
You
eat?
just gotta eat, really. And if you have something to say, like, you see how the butter tastes, y'all. I already know I've been talking about this shit in the confessional.
We got so many options, y'all. You got scallops, lobster tails, shrimp, crab legs, corn, and potatoes, flour, and bread. Okay. I am gonna get one of these crab legs too.
Wait, what's the hack? You gotta. Why didn't one work? Oh wait. Well, I need the scissors. Let me go get the scissors. Okay, y'all.
Look at that, y'all.
Look at
These
that.
what these called? Logan crab, tanner
Tanner
crab.
crabs.
Not
Let's
Logan.
see.
Tanner might know what he's doing.
You doing?
With the crabs.
You really do? Oh fuck.
They're so soft.
Meaty. Okay, the butter straight, y'all. The butter good.
Yeah, the butter cool. It's not the best, but it's cool.
But these scallions though.
Now I got sauce running down my sleeves. So you gotta put the sleeves up now. Getting real serious. I really want some of this lobster too.
These golden potatoes though.
Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. The lobster might be overcooked.
Made by a black man. De Leon. Oh shit. This shit good.
I'm over here chowing down.
Right.
Your lobster tail?
I think this good. This better than fried crab. Remember we had fried crab now? But I don't know. They should have been salty.
Yeah, this should be real salty. And like kind of greasy. Like this is greasy, but like.
But they use that fake butter though.
The fake butter be cool too for the sauce.
Yeah, it's like industrialized because they do a lot. Do y'all see this?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
This what's his name? Sebastian? I think he was a crab. Or he was a lobster.
Excellent.
I have
It's
a tripod
awesome.
too. It's awesome. Thank you. You know, I really do this shit, y'all. It's not a game. I don't know.
I do be in this bitch. I was eating, getting a lunch plate.
I've been making breakfast. I've been making lunch. I've been making dinner.
Taste it. I'm gonna make a little lobster sandwich.
I've been getting lobster rolls from restaurants too. They're hit. Oh yeah, the shrimp though is a no-go. I'm sorry. No. I fucked it up.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
They might.
Some of them are okay, but
No, this one fine.
yeah. But the last one I had, it was.
But
It must be
you
the
show it
top.
out with the lobster. It's a 10 out of 10. It's not chewy. It's fresh. It's not salty.
Yeah.
You taste the ocean still, but it's seasoned.
That's how it gotta be. So you get the. Cause it's the star.
Okay.
The food, like.
I walked up and. I'm gonna do the hack. They say you're supposed to be able to do it.
So good.
They don't work with me with these tanner crabs. I did it one time before. The TikTok hack.
What is it?
Like, you know, you hit the crab leg on your wrist and it like the meat just fall out.
Big ass crab leg. You can eat too, I know.
Oh, we got
Yeah.
some good bits.
Mhm.
Like, I'm still on live. And yeah. I'm not recording.
Angle.
Like a medieval king.
Queen.
Cracking down.
What I call?
Music to my ears. Rolling.
Y'all make sure y'all go to Phoenix Ayana channel to see how we prepared this beautiful mukbang for you guys today.
Okay, because I was in there cooking, y'all. As you see.
God bless the cook. She was cutting up.
Bomb. Where my bed at?
Scallops. Die for.
They are.
Just a perfect little.
Right, it's like real seasoning, but it's not spicy, but it's heat though. I taste the heat. Yeah.
It's the pepper. Since it was fresh, it made it real like smoky.
Yeah.
You know that song that was about me. Can't stop, won't stop.
Big wild. Finish the mukbang.
Bomb as fuck.
Tore
I'm
it the
finishing
fuck up.
my whipped cream to my cocktail. Okay.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
We gotta go in like an hour and a half, kind of. An hour. We're gonna say an hour.
Yeah.
But I'm tired. I might take me a little nap, or I might just go. I feel like I've been tired this whole trip, and at this point, it doesn't even matter what is tired.
She was
Like,
born tired. Shit.
true. But we gonna go to this
Yeah.
museum. Love a good museum. I look, you want to turn up those. We gonna see what the vibes are.
Alright, we're gonna finish that bottle and just go to a club, pop up in the club finally. Her. Take down the stage. Yes.